Alrighty, Phyllis Heichman, 1190 Church Avenue, Corydon, Indiana. Had to take 2 videos because I didn't have enough hands here to hold the video, hold the camera. This creased, it ripped there whenever I had to reset the nails. Ripped on both sides. This one ripped in the center. They're all just really, I mean, there's barely anything holding them on anymore. You got a big crease there. You've got a crease along the top on that one. Crease right there. So I don't believe that this could be done on top of just not, it wouldn't aesthetically look remotely the same with the age of these shingles and the material loss. There's very little color even left to these, but we feel that it would be near impossible to repair these with the shape that they're in.